Today, I'm on Salt Spring Island, and the reason that I'm here is to see a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 700 square foot prefab home built by Hewing Haus. I just had a quick tour around, and I'll tell you right up front, this place has the cottage look dialed right up, and it turned out amazing. Before we get started, there's a couple things that I want you to look out for as I go through this tour. Number one, this property. This property is, I don't even know how to describe it. I kind of feel like I'm in some sort of fairy tale right now. Like, we've got the fog going on, we've got the trees, we got the path. So just enjoy that. And then I want you to look at the details inside this home. This is very high quality. I will try to point out things, but like I say, this place is awesome. So enjoy the tour. When I arrived, I was able to have a quick conversation with the homeowner, and one of the things that she said that I found very interesting was they wanted to have the driveway and this path up to the home be an experience. And I will say, mission accomplished. Like I said in the intro, it does feel like a bit of a fairy tale as you approach this home, and you would think that this home had been sitting here for years based on some of the trees around it. What if I told you they just put it here in May? So it's now January. This home hasn't even been here for a year yet. It definitely fits very well in the surroundings. So when they brought it in the front and craned it into place. The Saturna 7 comes in 3 pieces, total of 700 square feet. If you've ever been on the Hewing Haus website, you might have noticed that a lot of their builds have a flat roof, and that's not at all what's going on here. So one of the options available is to have the peak roof that we're looking at right here, and how they do that is with standard trusses. So they'll send the home with a flat roof, and then they build the peak roof on site. It adds about 2 weeks to the total construction of the home. But for those who are looking for the cottage style like this, it's definitely a good option. I feel like I got super lucky with this bit of fog we've got today, and I like how the black wood siding looks against the forest and the fog. It just kind of fits so well. So you can see we've got a couple windows over here. That's into the 2nd bedroom and bathroom. And have a look at the little peekaboo cedar on the soffit there. And as I come around, we'll see the wood accent on the covered deck. We've got this big picture window into the main bedroom here. And when we get in there, make sure you look out at what it's looking at. And it definitely was intentional and turned out amazing. Coming around, we've got the first real close look at the covered deck. There's LED lights built in from the factory there. And as I come around this side, you'll notice there are 2 sliding glass doors that enter into the living space. Another look at this side. I'll circle all the way around and have a look at the back, because why not? And then it'll be time to head inside. So at the back of the home, they've got the awning right here that ships with the home but doesn't get attached until it's on site. Look at this light even. It all kind of fits so well with this home on this property. Going around the back here, you can see they've got windows. One's into the kitchen. The other, I believe, is into the 2nd bedroom. And we've got the full window in the main door. I think I'm going to enter on the deck. I just want to trade places with the homeowner because she was kind enough to let me come through. She's going to head outside and I'm going to head inside. Oh, look at that, a 3rd sliding glass door into the bedroom. So heading in the left slider, you land in the living space. Now, a couple things to note here. Number one, the cottage look. And one of the interesting things, I had a conversation with Ken, the owner of Hewing Haus, and what they do, or what they've started doing, is running hardwood from the floor up the wall. And if you want to talk about attention to detail, let's get in real close here and we'll look at the seam on the wall matches perfectly. So if you run down right there with the seam on the floor, just one of those things that you might not notice unless I go close. And even then, it's not exactly easy to see it, but it is something that I was pretty impressed by. So from the living space, we will head over into the kitchen and landing area. So this is probably the door that most people would come through if they're getting home from whatever they're doing. And the convenient thing about that is you've got this, full wall of storage right here. Haven't been in it. I have been given permission to open a few doors, so definitely going to do that. One of the things that people talk about a lot on a home this size, you know, under 1,000 square feet, is where am I going to put all my stuff? And I feel like that's been handled here at Hewing Haus. So let's take a look. So first one, we've got the hot water tank and just an open cabinet for basically whatever you want to put in there. They've got brooms and things like that. Second one is almost a pantry by the looks of it. So you've got a place to hang jackets and shoes down below, and then a shelf in the back for whatever you want. I did see hookups for a washer dryer in there. They don't have one in there yet. Oh, I stand corrected. The washer dryer is right here. So I thought I saw a water hookup, but irrelevant because it's in this third door right here. And then they've got more storage up above for the things that you're not using as often. Coming into the kitchen, they've got the cabinet matched fridge right here, freezer down below, storage up above, and then we move into the main part of the kitchen. And one of the things that I like that they've done here is they've got the wood cabinets down below with the white up above. It just gives it a little bit of pop. And you'll notice that the countertop matches the backsplash. Everything is very simplistic with Hewing Haus in a classy way. So this place just feels luxurious. And I know that sounds strange when we're talking about something that has a cottage look, but somehow they've managed to get it done. It's both luxurious and it has all the right feels. Another thing to notice here is they've got plywood on the drawers. And of course, those are soft close plates in there. We don't need to go into everything. So coming across, you've got the oven down below. We've got the cooktop up above. And as I head across this way, you've got the sink here with a window out to the fairy tale. Now, coming around this way, we're gonna go into the bedroom. This is bedroom 2. I've been in a Saturna 7 before from Hewing Haus, and they had a bunk in this room. They've opted for just one bed, and it does feel a little bit more wide open, so I like that. It's gonna depend on what the person's using it for, but if you don't need the extra bed, I'd probably prefer this a little bit more. 3 hooks on the wall to hang your stuff up when you're not wearing it. And let's go. Oh, look at this. We can't forget to have a better look at the living room. So as I come across, you can see the 2 sliding glass doors. They've got the fireplace in the corner, just adding to that cozy feel that is throughout this home. I'm gonna come around this way, and before we go into the main bedroom, we are gonna go into the bathroom. So they've got the walk-in shower tiled all the way to the ceiling with the glass doors. They've got the black hardware in there that looks awesome. And over here, they've got the toilet, and that is a window up above. Now, as I come around, we'll have a look at the vanity. So you've got a cabinet on either side, a drawer down below, lots of counter space, and there is a mirror up above. Another look at the living room, so cozy, before looping into the main bedroom. Now, as I walk in here, have a look at this view. Right in the middle of that picture window is, I believe that's a cedar tree. I'm not much of a tree expert, so correct me if I'm wrong there, but definitely liking that view. I don't know what's beyond the trees because of the fog, but I'm definitely enjoying the fog and happy it's here for us today. Again, we've got another sliding glass door out to the covered patio. So you've got 3 places to access this covered patio, which is awesome. And as I come around this way, I'm going to back up to the other side of the bed. You've got some built-in storage in here. So I'm guessing it's going to be a place where you can hang a few things, probably some shelves in there. I'm not going to go into it because this is the main bedroom. Even though I was given the go-ahead, I don't necessarily feel the need to open every single door. There it is, folks, the Saturna 7 from Hewing Haus, a 700 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom prefab home. And tell you what, they have got this place figured out. There you have it, folks, the Saturna 7 from Hewing Haus right here on Salt Spring Island. If you want any more information on this home or anything else they offer, it's all available on their website. I will put the link down below in the description. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.